Good evening. I wanted to show you my Coco and Reno monthly kits. I have two to show you. The first one is this one is the bows, and I believe this was the December kit, if I'm not mistaken. So it comes with 18 dies, and it has three bows that you can make. So it's the large, medium, and small here, and then it has these types of bows, and then these two bows here, and I will show you how they look. So the large one is that one, the medium is that one, and then the small is that one. So you can make three bows. So that's how that looks. And then the other ones look like this. So that's how those look. I don't know if I'm supposed to put this here on top of it like that, and this one here, which I think that's what it's supposed to do. So that's how those cutouts look for the month of, I think it's November, and then this one that I'm going to show you is December. So yeah, this one is December. So the other one was November, and then this one is December. So this one has 12 dies, and it has a big jar. It has this home sweet home there, and then let's stay home, welcome, and then two little cups, and then the houses, and then the two keys, and a cactus with a cup. So, and that one was the welcome home kit from Coco and Reno. So let me show you how that looks. So the home sweet home is like that, and then it does cut out the words, the home sweet home, which I lost the W. I did lose the W. Here. So that's how that looks. You could, I don't know where I put the W at, but that's the home sweet home there, and then that. Okay, so that's the first one, and then the mason jar, which is this one right here. That one right there, it says home sweet home also, and then it has the layout of the house and the garden in the front. Then the cactus with the cup, and then let's stay home, and then the cups and the other cup. That's how that looks. And then the welcome. And then the little cutouts of the house, which you can use the star from the middle of that house. You could use that, and the heart in the middle of that. You could use that also. And then the key, the other key. And then you could use the heart also from that key. And then the little scallop that cuts out from there. And then this heart is from, I forgot to show you, from that cup that you could cut out also, that you could use. So that's that for my Coco and Reno monthly kits. And yep, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me any comments down below. I do get to you right away. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, and it came with these 2 bags in gray with the Coco and Reno on them. But I don't use them. As you can see, I put them on these 6x9 envelopes. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Take care.